time to look at this little tiny bit of code at the top. It's a single line. It sits between the event of the green flag and the forever loop that's got all my code in. So I'm going to take the forever loop away for now so I can focus on the bits I need to see. I've got all my instructions in there, including the variable if touching cake. Change cake eaten by 1, so it's adding 1 to the score. And I'm going to look at the top. So outside of the forever loop, it says when green flag is clicked, set cakes eaten to 0. So when I click the green flag, which makes my code live, it will reset that score to 0. So it could be 5, 10, minus 50, 7.24, whatever that is at. When I click the green flag to make this code go live, it will 0 that score. So I'm putting the reset at the beginning. That means that when I finish the game, if I've been playing the game, I can leave it with the variable value at anything I want, because I'm safe knowledge that when I restart by pressing the green flag, it will take the score to absolute 0 and start again. This works two ways. I could use it another way around. If I had a game where I wanted to count down, I could start it by having it set to 100, so that when I click the green flag, it set the cakes eaten to 100, and I could count down. So if I make it -1 each time I touch. So with this code, each time we touch the cakes, it goes down by 1.